Good afternoon. Today we are going to study about some results and its proof. First one, nebula equal to 1 minus E inverse. Second one, delta equal to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2. Third one, mu equal to e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 by 2. Fourth one, delta equal to nebula E. Fifth one, E equal to e raised to HD. We have to prove that these five result. First one, to prove nebula equal to 1 minus E inverse. We know that nebula y1 equal to y1 minus y0. We have ey0 equal to y1. Multiply each term by E inverse. E inverse ey0 equal to E inverse y1. E inverse minus 1 plus E inverse E raised to minus 1 plus E raised to 1. That's equal to E raised to 0 y0. That's equal to E raised to minus 1 y1. Which implies E raised to 0 equal to 1. So y0 equal to E inverse y1. Then y1 can be written as in this form. So y1 minus E inverse y1. y1 is common. y1 into 1 minus E inverse. y1 into 1 minus E inverse. That is nebula y1 equal to y1 into 1 minus E inverse. y1 is common, so it is cancelled. Therefore, nebula equal to 1 minus E inverse. Hence the result. Then second one, delta equal to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2. To prove this result. And by definition of delta means central difference. Central difference delta yr equal to yr plus 1 by 2 minus yr minus 1 by 2. That is delta y1 equal to y1 plus 1 by 2 minus y1 minus 1 by 2. That's equal to y1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 minus y1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. Delta y0 equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 minus y0 minus 1 by 2. That is y1 by 2 minus y minus 1 by 2. Okay, then using this definition, so delta yr equal to yr plus 1 by 2 minus yr minus 1 by 2. yr plus 1 by 2 equal to e raised to 1 by 2 yr minus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr. That is y0 equal to y1. That's e raised to 1. y0 equal to y1. And e raised to e square y0 equal to y2 plus 0. That's equal to y2. And e square y1 equal to y2 plus 1. So y2 plus 1 equal to y3. That is yr plus 1 by 2. E raised to 1 by 2 equal to yr. So 1 by r plus 1 by 2. E raised to minus 1 by 2 yr. R minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then yr is common. So e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr. That is delta yr equal to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr. Yr is common, so it's cancelled. Therefore, delta equal to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2. Then next we have to prove that mu equal to, third one, mu equal to e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 by 2. Before proving this result, we need to define mean operator or averaging operator mu. That is, mean operator mu is defined as mu yr equal to yr plus 1 by 2 plus yr minus 1 by 2 divided mu yr equal to yr plus 1 by 2 plus yr minus 1 by 2 by 2. This, using this definition, we get mu yr equal to yr plus 1 by 2 plus yr minus 1 by 2 divided 2. Yr plus 1 by 2 can be written in the format e raised to 1 by 2 yr. So, yr plus 1 by 2 can be written as e raised to 1 by 2 yr plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr, all divided 2. So, get to yr is common. So, e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr by 2. That is, mu yr equal to e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 yr by 2. Yr is common, so it's cancelled. Therefore, mu equal to e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2 by 2. Hence the result. And next we have to prove that fourth one. Fourth result. We have delta yr equal to yr plus 1 minus yr. That is in general form. That is, delta y1 equal to y1 minus y0. Sorry, y2 minus y1. Delta y0 equal to y1 minus y0. Here r equal to 1. So, yr plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2 minus yr. In general, delta yr can be written as yr plus 1 minus yr. Then we can written as delta EYR, nebula EYR equal to nebula YR plus 1. That's equal to YR plus 1 minus YR. EYR equal to, we have EY0 equal to Y1 and EY1 equal to y2. So, in general, EYR equal to YR plus 1. Then nebula YR plus 1 equal to YR plus 1 minus YR in same definition. That is, nebula y1 equal to y1 minus y0 and nebula y2 equal to y2 minus y1. Here delta and here nebula. Okay. Therefore, here delta EYR equal to nebula YR plus 1. That's equal to, nebula EYR equal to nebula YR plus 1 equal to YR plus 1 minus YR. Here YR plus 1 minus YR is equal to delta YR. So, it's equal to delta YR. Therefore, nebula EYR equal to delta YR. So yr is common, so it's cancelled. That implies nebula E equal to delta. Okay, here yr plus 1 minus yr equal to delta yr, so it's substitute in this value, so delta yr, therefore nebula E yr equal to delta yr, which implies nebula E equal to delta. Okay, then next we can prove that fifth result. Fifth result is E equal to e raised to hd. Before proving this results, we need to define operator d. We need to define operator d. Is defined by dy of x equal to d by dx of dx y of x. That's d means derivative. D means derivative. By Taylor's expansion, y of x plus h equal to y of x plus h y dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial y double dash of x plus etc. Yes, it is the Taylor expansion plus etc. That is, we have ey naught equal to y1 and eyr equal to yr plus 1. So y of x plus h can be written as ey of x. That's equal to y of x is common. So in this equation rewritten as y of x plus h y dash of x, y dash d by dx of y of x means y dash of x. So h d of y of x plus h square by 2 factorial d square of y of x plus etc. So y of x is common in all terms. So 1 plus hd plus h square d square by 2 factorial plus etc. into y of x. It's equal to e raised to hd. E raised to hd, expansion of e raised to hd into y of x. That is e y of x equal to e raised to hd y of x. Y of x is common, so it's cancelled. Therefore, e equal to e raised to hd. Expansion of e raised to hd equal to 1 plus hd plus h square d square plus etc. That is expansion of e raised to x. E raised to x equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus etc. So it is the general form of e raised to hd. Here x, here hd. Okay, thank you.